Meron na po. Meron na pong nag-tender ng kanilang courtesy resignation. I am not aware of how many have submitted, but there's a good number that has submitted already and have shown their good faith to the ombudsman regarding their recent appointments or recent promotions. Ang gusto lang talaga kasi ni ombudsman is to start on the right foot. Ngayon, pagpasok po kasi ni ombudsman, nakita po niya through the CSC that there was an uptick of appointments made by the previous administration very near the end of his term. Kaya po, nagulat na lang din si ombudsman na nung 7 years, only the last few months were used for the appointment and promotion of several employees here at the Office of the Ombudsman.